Hello, this is Trevor with Pelican Water Systems. Today, I want to take you through a cartridge replacement for your Easy Connect compact water filtration system. First, we want to turn off the main water supply to the system. Next, we'll want to open the nearest faucet to relieve the pressure. Once the water comes to a stop, we're ready to remove the housing. Using the spanner wrench, we'll turn clockwise to remove. When removing the housing, make sure to have a bucket handy. There will be some spillage. After dumping out the residual water left in the housing, we're ready to discard the old filter as well as the old O-ring. I find it easiest to use a flathead screwdriver to remove the old O-ring. Before installing the new O-ring, we recommend wiping the O-ring groove. I'm just using a lint-free cloth. We're now ready to install a new O-ring. Before we do so, we want to make sure we properly lubricate it. We recommend using a food-grade silicone grease, just applying a small amount to my fingers and spreading it over the entire surface. Once it's fully lubricated, we can then put it back into the O-ring groove, flattening with our fingers. We're now ready to install a new cartridge and reinstall the housing to the cover. To reinstall the housing, you'll turn counterclockwise. You'll want to hand tighten and then use the spanner wrench to snug the housing, making sure not to over tighten it. With the new cartridge now installed, we're ready to slowly turn the main water supply to the system back on. We should still have the original faucet open. This will allow the trapped air to expel. If replacing the sediment filter, once the water at the open faucet runs smoothly, you may turn the faucet off and the system is ready for use. If you're replacing the chloramine filter or the NatureSoft cartridge, you'll want to allow that open faucet to run for an additional 10 minutes. Once the water has ran for 10 minutes, you may turn the faucet off and your system would be ready for use. If replacing multiple cartridges, we recommend replacing them all at the same time. Once all are then replaced and the housings are back on, you would turn the main water to the system back on. If you have any questions